Sap. Your whole idea of killing new players and favoring old players just seems absurd to me. I don't know how you even think like this. And now for all the things you have done, you have to die.
Spoke, why are you helping me?
Parrot, you know, you are the most deserving person to be the king of the unstable SMP. Jamato P. How does it feel to be in a prison, huh?
After escaping this prison, I will be asking you the same question, Spoke. See you then.
I guess I will be never seeing you, Jamato.
One day, you're gonna look around and you're gonna see you've made a mafia of it. You're gonna see you're surrounded by sycophants and people who will do anything to please you, and all you care about is accruing more and more power and making it seem more strong, and you will realize that is exactly what I wanted to do, because that's the best thing for the server. And when you realize that, when you come to your senses, I'll be there.